Are you so excited about this workshop, but you have a dilemma? You already took my level 3 and you just want to come again. I just want to come again. Whether you want the bonus WhatsApp in between Saturdays, what can you do? I have a returner code. I actually emailed everyone who's taken my level 3 and said, hey, I'm doing it again. Just so you know, here's the code. You can come for $295. Oh my gosh. So if you didn't get that email, just email me, Jackie at the EFTmasterclass.com. Make sure there's 2 E's in there, the EFTmasterclass.com. And I will email you the code. That's how you can come to the level 3 workshop. I had a student last cohort that said, I already took the level 3 workshop and I already got trained with you in level 3, but can I do it again? Can I be in that container for 6 months again? Because I love the WhatsApp. I love the practice pods. I love the Ask Me Anything. Um, I want to come to the live immersives again. Can I come again? And she got to come for a majorly discounted rate. So if you want to just be in that community again with me, message me. I got discounts for you.